Whatever is not needed turns into the fatty glyceride and our fat cells consume it. So this is how we start gaining the weight. Our today's topic is how to reduce facial fat or face fat. Pranam everyone, my name is Poli Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. So this video has two parts, and in the first part of the video we will learn that what is the science behind this and how we gain the weight, either it's a face or other body part. In the second part of the video we will learn that the right techniques to lose facial fat. So let's discuss about the first part of the video. Whatever is not needed turns into the fatty glyceride and our fat cells consume it. So this is how we start gaining the weight. Now let's come to the second part of the video. So second part of the video is all about right techniques and the exercises, and each exercise we need to perform at least for 30 to 40 times. So let's begin. So let's begin with the first exercise or first practice. We are going to do the Kaki Mudra. Your spine should be straight, upright. You can practice in standing position or in sitting position as well. So hands here on your thighs, or you can practice over the chair. Now let's perform the Kaki Mudra. In the Kaki Mudra, you have to make your entire lips in the peak position or same as the pot position. So let's do it. Inhale throughout your nose and exhale throughout your mouth or throughout your lips. Inhale. And try to activate your facial muscles. Inhale. Forcefully exhale. Close your eyes and relax. Let's come to the second practice. In the second practice, we will do the tongue pulls. Open your eyes. So, pull or throw your tongue out and downwards. And try to lift your chin up as much as possible for you. So, let's do it. Breathing should be normal. And relax. Practice at least for 30 seconds, either 30 times. Third, so let's come to the cheek puff. We need to puff the cheeks as a balloon as much as we can. So let's do it. Inhale throughout the nostril and continuously start puffing your cheeks. And relax. Let's come to the fourth practice. In the fourth practice, let's come to the jaw movement. Similarly, do at least 30 to 40 times. So open your lips, open your jaw as much as you can, which activate the entire muscles of your jaw or activation of your cheek muscles as well. Breathing normal, let's do it. Drop your jaw down as much as possible. Close your eyes, relax for a while. Feel the sensations around your jaw and relax it well. Come back. Let's come to the fifth practice. This is the second part of the Kaki Mudra, but in this, we will lift the entire neck up and we need to exhale throughout the pout. So let's practice. Hand should be here. Lift your chin up. Start throwing your breath outside throughout your mouth 30 to 40 times. And relax. Come back. So this is how you can practice all these practices to reduce your facial fat. And do at least 3 to 4 sets of each exercise. And in the one set, practice at least for 30 to 40 times, or you can practice according to the times also. Children can practice this, also adult and the teenagers also. Now, the question of the day. How many teeth generally adults have? Give me the right answer. If you give me the right answer, I will drop you a heart. Till then, take care and have a sigh of relief.